Varicose veins, also known as spider veins, are annoying dilated veins that are seen in our legs. Causing a problem is not anything more aesthetic, as it is a sign that we are having a poor circulation. This is a problem that occurs mainly in women, however men do not escape them, being a cause of concern for many and causing the constant search for remedies that help eliminate varicose veins. In this opportunity we will introduce you the best home remedies to eliminate varicose veins, with which you can get rid of them easily, economically and from the comfort of your home. We will then show you the best ways to eliminate varicose veins without expensive treatments or need for rest. These remedies are easy to prepare, and you can perform them in the tranquility of your home. These natural remedies can significantly help you eliminate varicose veins, allowing you to improve circulation. The crystal of the aloe vera. This is one of the best treatments. To do it you just have to take a panca of the plant and extract its crystal. Then you must warm it until it becomes a little warm and apply in the affected area. If you want you can use it like compresses during the night, and retire them in the morning, when waking up. Apple cider vinegar, carrot and aloe vera. Blend the apple vinegar, carrot and aloe vera gel in a blender until you get a homogeneous mixture. Apply to the affected area, and let it act for at least 30 minutes. Then remove with plenty of cold water. Garlic. You can use it frequently in your food or prepare an ointment by mixing a little garlic crushed with alcohol. Massage this mixture in your legs 4 times a week. Dip baths with sea salt and apple cider vinegar. This is a great remedy to eliminate varicose veins, and is very simple. Dip your feet in this mixture for about 20 minutes and massage them in the meantime. Ginkgo biloba. This plant contains flavonoids, which stimulate and improve the functioning of your circulatory system, making it a great ally to eliminate varicose veins. You can consume a tablet or capsule daily. Cypress oil. Use it as a massage oil to relieve arthritis, rheumatism, cramps, varicose veins, and heavy menstrual flow. You can also add it to your warm bath. Add it to your favorite lotion or cream to help soothe broken skin and varicose veins. It also has astringent effects that can help clarify oily and congested skin. Cypress oil's health benefits are far-reaching, and it has demonstrated properties that are beneficial for your circulatory and respiratory systems. For instance, it can help reduce cellulite and varicose veins, and tighten and reduce pores. Constrict your blood vessels. By constricting your veins, it helps stop bleeding, and may also benefit those who suffer from hemorrhoids and varicose veins. Calendula oil. It has great anti-inflammatory and vulnerary action, making it helpful with stubborn wounds, acne, ulcers, bed sores, varicose veins, rashes, eczema and related conditions. It helps soothe sore, inflamed and itchy skin conditions. Calendula massage oil also assists in soothing and softening skin, making it a good addition to massage oils or when preparing a carrier oil blend. What you will need: dried calendula petals, carrier oil, olive oil, almond oil or sunflower oil are some great options. Clean glass jar with a lid. Preparation. 1. Put your desired amount of dried calendula petals in a clean, dry glass jar. 2. Fill the jar with your carrier oil of choice to cover the petals by 1 inch. 3. Put in a sunny place to infuse for 4 weeks. 4. Drain the petals from the oil and store the oil in a container with a lid for up to 1 year. You can use the homemade calendula oil as an after-bath body oil, salve, baby oil, lotion or home remedy for dry skin, inflamed areas, or rashes. Other important recommendations. Put your legs up daily for at least 10 minutes, to stimulate the return of blood to the heart, and achieve decongestion of the veins. Take walks or ride a bicycle. These activities activate blood circulation. Avoid crossing your legs when you feel. Remember that this prevents the blood from circulating normally. stimulating the appearance of varicose veins and worsening the situation of those already formed. Also avoid standing for a long time or a long time sitting. Avoid leading a sedentary life and consumption of alcohol, cigarettes and coffee. If you use birth control pills, look for another option as these cause side effects related to circulation.